Merry meet magical souls, and welcome back to another magical video. I'm so excited to get into this one. I just went ahead and walked into town to go ahead and pick up the new Witch's Moon box. I'm so excited to get into it, guys. Be sure to check out the comment section and description box down below so you could order your magical box today as well. Let's see what's the theme for this month and all the fun stuff. Ooh, I'm already seeing some cool stuff. Ooh, I like it already, guys. So many cool things. So far there's my little tarot card for the month. It's Tranquility. Ooh, this is very pretty. Enchanted Blossoms Oracle deck. I've never heard of this Oracle deck, guys, but I love this, and I've been enjoying my time in the Enchanted Forest, as you can tell, so really loving this vibe, guys, of my tarot card for the month. I'll look into that more later and meditate on it. So let's see, the theme for this month is of rays and roots. Ooh, this is perfect for what's going on right now. We embrace the ever-changing seasons and energies that pass through our everyday, reminding us of the beautiful and sacred cycle that we are also deeply connected with. During a season of revitalization and action, we take time to familiarize ourselves once again with the power and beauty of the very nature that surrounds us, as well as the rays of light that provide us with new energy. We work to become one with the wisdom of nature, granting us the ability to accept change through growth and progress. We pay homage to the goddess and guardians of the summer season through this very special July Witch's Moon collection. And they got a little disclaimer letting you know everyone's path is different, use the tools how you're guided to. And I just love their stuff, guys. And this is such a cool card. I want this in my phone case so I can just work with that energy, the whole month long. Like when they give you a tarot card, just put it in a clear phone case on your phone and trim it down so you could just work with that energy. Oh my god, guys, so there's so much beautiful things in here already. The Book of Shadows artwork is just so divine, guys. I'm in love with it. So we're totally gonna get some green calcite, which is amazing. This just totally gives me Maleficent vibes in the moors. Such beautiful artwork. And then this is the summer. Ooh, the green man's on here. The summer Book of Shadows artwork, as well as this one. Ooh, this beautiful goddess. What is your name? In Norse mythology, the world was created from the body of the giant Ymir by Odin and his brothers. The sun, moon, and stars formed from sparks exploring forth from the end of fire. Ooh, this is so pretty, guys. So pretty. Beautiful artwork. It's so hard to read too. I'm trying to read it. So beautiful. Love the artwork, guys. Let's just go ahead and see what is in this magical box. Ooh, I'm seeing so many cool things, guys. I see the bath salts right away. Morning Glow bath salts. Who doesn't want a good morning glow? I just used some of their bath salts yesterday, guys, after work. Today's the new moon. Happy new moon, beautiful souls, and took a beautiful moon bath. This smells very witchy, herbal. This has got the herb smell, but it's gonna do its job to help you guys out. This is the Morning Glow bath salt, guys. I can't wait to take a nice cleansing bath with it. You just gotta love their stuff. And ooh, what is this? Lemongrass, ooh, rope incense. This is lemongrass rope incense, guys, and I love the rope incense so much. It burns super quick, and it's great for quick little rituals, things that you don't have to take too long to do. And lemongrass, so Asian and awesome. I love this, guys. And sometimes in magic, you need to use this herb too. Ooh, let's open this little pouch, guys. What's in the pouch? I have a feeling it's gonna be some green calcite. It is. This is so pretty. I have green calcite, guys, but my grade isn't as beautiful as this grade. This is very beautiful. It's, ooh, I'm gonna drop it. It's this beautiful deep green. It's glowing like the picture of the Book of Shadows artwork, guys. Do you see how it looks like a glow? It's literally the same color. I have some, but it's very muted and not as good quality. This is such a beautiful grade of green calcite. So pretty. Let's read what some of the green calcite is about. So its magical properties is a refreshing stone of elevation, smoothness, distress, and calms anger, nourishes goodwill and compassion, clears burdensome fears from the heart chakra, amplifies attunement with the spirits of nature, plants, animals, and elemental, aids in restoration of purpose and vitality. This is so cool, guys. I love this, and it helps to when you're sick too. It absorbs the sickness when you're sick, so this is a good stone to work with that too. Oh, I just love the stuff that's in here. What else is in here, guys? There's so many cool things. Oh my god, I'm seeing something really cool at the bottom of the box, but let's open this. What? This is so beautiful, guys. We're gonna read on the Triquetra too, but oh my god, this is so beautiful. If you can't tell already, guys, I'm wearing a Triquetra necklace. I don't know if you guys can see it, and it's on my ring too. This is so beautiful. It's a Triquetra necklace. You can never have enough of these. You can wear them as necklaces, back charms. So this can be made into so many cool things, guys. As a necklace, you can make it into a chain with that kind of like LA vibe I got going on right now. And this is so beautiful. Like, you know, like a chain on your pants? Like, you can totally DIY this so many different ways. I just love it. What does the back say? It says, blessed be, blessed be, blessed be. Oh, that is just so pretty. You can never have enough of these. So I want to read to you guys a little bit about the Triquetra. This is a fine pewter Triquetra pendant with chain, guys. This beautiful fine pewter Triquetra pendant has been locally crafted with pure intentions. The Triquetra has been a symbol dating back to early as 500 BC and was used by many cultures to represent the power of threes. The most common representation of the Triquetra comes from the Celts, Wiccans, and Neo-pagans. The three-form design symbolizes, among many other representations, the maiden mother and crone, as well as the wisdom of the triple goddess. The Triquetra also resonates with life, death, and rebirth. These qualities correspond with the sacred cycle of life. As you wear this pendant, connect with this ancient and most relevant wisdom. I love this, guys. This just totally represents the power of three and all the different things. Like, there was this is just awesome, guys. This just represents like the Holy Trinity, just so many different power of threes. There's Hindu triple, like people that are in threes, and it's just so cool, guys, to represent the various aspects of the divine with the power of three. I just love the pendant so much. It's just so awesome, guys. I'm trying to like get out of the sun so I'm not all looking weird. Okay, let's get into this box some more. What else is in here? Okay, guys, let's grab this next. Ooh, this is so cool. It says soul on here, and I'm assuming, yep, it comes with the pump. This is an awesome little potion spray. I wonder what the intention for this is for. Ooh, it smells good. It has that orange vibe on it, and I smell orange in here, guys. Ooh, I cannot wait to work with this solar energy all over my body when I do my magic work and just live my day-to-day life, guys. This is a Soul Ritual Aura Spray, guys. We are thrilled to be able to introduce our Soul Rituals Aura Spray within this very special collection. The Soul Ritual Aura Spray has been created with the intention of providing the energetic qualities of the sun into your environment. We recommend using this aura spray during times of stagnation where you may feel as if there's no energy to move forward. As you spray this elixir through your surroundings, visualize all negative thoughts and energies leaving you, opening yourself to the emotions of hope. As you work with this spray, allow your energetic body to feel motivated to take actions towards positive change. We have created this aura spray with the oils of lemongrass, sweet orange, and a special mixture of our Akatum magical oil from our own personal cabinet of witchery. Oh, guys, I cannot wait to use this. Like, the solar energy right now, it's washing me out. Oh my gosh, guys, this is such a cool elixir. I cannot wait to use it. Ooh, it looks like we got some orange peel in here too, guys, to definitely do some solar magic. And we got some Tears of Apollo ritual herbal tea. Ooh, cannot wait. I was just using my mug today, my moon mug. So this is the Tears of Apollo Ritual Herbal Tea with Muslim Bag. This wonderful, sweet, and smoothing ritual herbal tea was created with rhubarb, cranberries, orange peel, and hibiscus. Allow yourself to become more filled with the ecstasy of music, creativity, sun, and light. Take this time to honor the sun by making music, writing in your book of shadows, or soaking in the knowledge of a well-written grimoire. I love this, guys, because I'm totally jamming to jams right now and got some new music going on, so ooh, just love those vibes. Can't wait to drink that tea. And there's another herb in here, guys. I think there's two more that's hiding at the bottom, so let's see. These two herbs. Oh, this is the Muslim bag, and this is some raspberry leaf. Ooh, it looks so pretty in there, guys. So like Victorian looking. So some raspberry leaf. It's a very feminine and fruitful addition to your summer rituals. The raspberry leaf carries wonderful protective and charming qualities. Add raspberry leaves to sachets or hang near your gatherings and celebrations, or place among your green man altar. Ooh. And I think because of speaking of green man, guys, there's something here at the bottom of the box. Like, it's in this thing. And it's so hard because I don't have a table by me to put everything on, but I want to try to rip this out. Alrighty, guys, the struggle's real. I don't have a table to put my stuff on while I'm unboxing it, but let's get this out of here. Oh my god, this is so cool. I wish... Oh, you can hang this on your wall. There is a green man little creation, guys. It's like a green man mosaic, and you can go ahead and put him on your wall, outside, on a tree. He just looks so awesome and perfect. I feel like he's like great to work with right now, guys, because we're going into the fall season soon, so He's so awesome. We got the Green Man. The wonderful summer Green Man plaque has been made of cold case resin and is hand painted by skilled artisans, covered with flourishing leaves and berries. This representation of the Green Man is a great addition to your Lit the Summer altar. The Green Man has been represented in ancient rituals and mythology dating back thousands of years, spanning a variety of cultures, and still maintains the leafy green face to this day. Among the many meanings and information that has been published about the lore of the Green Man, there is one recurring truth. The Green Man represents our innate connection with the seasonal cycles of each year. Resonating with the deep wisdom of continual death and rebirth, he becomes alive with the coming of spring, watching over the growing nature and sprouting leaves, guarding over the forest until the winter captures him once again. Even though the cold winter months, the spirit of the Green Man is felt. The representation of both man and nature seamlessly combined resonates so innately with our practices and rituals. Both of these qualities relying on one another for survival and growth. As we work with the element of earth each season, we focus on the spiritual cycle of letting go and gaining during the waning and waxing of each year. These practices are even represented down to each day as the sun rises in the morning, eventually falling in the evening. The specific representation of the Green Man brings energies of growth and abundance into our sacred spaces. This is so cool, guys. I just love this plaque of him. He looks so cool, and it's neat because of the energy of this box and the show I just started watching on Netflix. It's called The Cursed, and it's like dating back to King Arthur time, and totally got his vibe in it too with the Fae, and it's so cool, guys. I cannot wait to work with him. He's an awesome plaque. I can't wait, guys. I can't wait to work with this Ascended Master. So let's put him over here on the side and get into this box, guys. There's a spell candle. I wonder what the spell candle is for this month. Ooh, this is pretty. This box, they're focusing on what's left of summer, guys. This is an awesome candle to work with that summer energy with the Green Man. I can't wait. Like, this would be so cool on the altar, guys. Like the yellow candle, him. All the magical vibes already here for us. It looks like there's one thing left in this box, guys, and I'm just loving it so much. It's so beautiful for summer. So awesome. There's just a little potion. So this is the Solar Crown Anointing Oil, guys. I see lots of rosemary in here, and the vibe and energy I get from this is just so like awesome. It's the solar energy for sure. I'm feeling sun rays. It smells herbal. It smells like Chinese medicine, but like gotta use your potion and do your magic, right? Gotta feel the energy from it, and I definitely feel energy from this, guys. So this is the Solar Crown Magical Anointing Oil. We have created this magical anointing oil with intentions of enhancing the movement within your current realities. The Solar Crown represents a crown of abundance, optimism, and joy, urging you to take positive action during the times of chaos and confusion. As you anoint your magical tools or skin, visualize your auric field opening to a state of ease and understanding. It is vital that we drop preconceived judgments about what we think we may know so that we are able to accept new information. We have enchanted this magical oil with lemongrass, basil, and bay leaves, and have included lemon peel, orange peel, rosemary, and olive leaves as well. Inside your oil you will find a Lemurian quartz. That's what I'm smelling, guys. It's olives that's making it that strong smell. Okay, this is so cool, guys. I just love their magical little potions and everything about their boxes. And one thing that you guys can do is enchant your nails, especially after your manicure or just in your day-to-day life. You want your nails to look a little bit more shiny and give your skin and around your cuticles some more moisture. You can go ahead and moisturize your cuticles, but most importantly, you're enchanting your fingernails and your magical hands, so you can go ahead and create your day-to-day magic on your everyday life. I just love their box, guys, so be sure to go ahead and check out the Witch's Moon. This box was so awesome, guys. There were so many cool things in here. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below so you're notified for all my future content. And totally check out the Witch's Moon. They have so many awesome subscription boxes in their moon market where you guys can get a variety of awesome magical tools. And like always, guys, with the power of the new moon, I call forth in this time and space, by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx. May you guys all be blessed and rejuvenated always. May it be as above, so below, so mote it be. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls.